Hey there, Chelsea. All right, so there was just a couple of cool videos that I wanted to share with you about the area and perimeter that I found, and I totally forgot to include them, so I'm just going to go ahead and let those play for you. They're really fun. You may have seen them before because I found them on BrainPop Jr. and I found it on Flocabulary. So I'm going to go ahead and pull those up on the screen for you to enjoy. So right here for BrainPop, Andy and Moby are talking about quadrilaterals. So I'm going to let you see that.
Everyone loves jokes about shapes, am I right? What are quadrilaterals? A quadrilateral is a closed shape with 4 straight sides. Right, Moby. A square and a rectangle are both quadrilaterals. Both shapes have 4 sides. Remember, quadrilaterals always have straight sides. So these shapes aren't quadrilaterals. The sides of a quadrilateral can be straight up and down, straight across, or they can be slanted. What did the quadrilateral say to the empty room? Square is everybody. What is the difference between a square and a rectangle? A square has 4 sides, and each side is the same length. A rectangle has 4 sides too. The opposite sides are the same length. An angle is the place where 2 lines or sides meet. A shape can have different angles. One angle might be big and wide, and another might be narrow and small. The angles on a square and a rectangle are right angles. Why did the square miss class? Because she sprained her ankle. What is a parallelogram?
All right, I'm going to pause that one now because I just wanted to show you that little fun part about squares and rectangles, because that's mainly what we were talking about, not anything about parallelograms. But I wanted to show you, the last one was this song about area and perimeter, because we always know that Flocabulary is the bomb. So here is that song for you.
It's the year 2060 and you're colonizing Mars. You're about to buy a plot of land, but you have a dog and you want to make sure he has enough space to run around. You also want to build a fence so he can't escape. So first you want to know how big the backyard is, and then you want to know how far it is around. To figure this out, you have to find
the area. That's the space inside. For a rectangle, its length and width are multiplied. And perimeter, the distance around the shape. Just add the sides together and then you'll be great with the area. That's the space inside. For a rectangle, its length and width are multiplied. And perimeter, the distance around the shape. Just add the sides together and then you'll be great. Yeah, here I am on Mars, trying to find out the size of my backyard. Well, it's a rectangle, right? So what if we cut it into squares of the same size that are 1 unit long by 1 unit wide? These are called square units. Add them all up, surprise! You got 72 square units, or feet, cause that's the unit we're using. Who has time to count squares? Length times width is the quickest way to get there. Yeah, that's how you find the area. A nice little formula that'll take care of you. And I need to hurry cause my dog is starving. Let's find the area so I can feed Marvin. My yard is 9 feet long by 8 feet wide. I get the area when I multiply each side. And 9 times 8 is 72. But here's another way for you to think it through. Basically you take the rows and figure how many square units fit inside of those. Yo, my backyard is wide, 8 feet. So that's 8 rows with 9 square units in each. So multiply the 8 rows by the 9 square units, you get 72. Yep, you knew it. The area, that's That's the space inside. For a rectangle, its length and width are multiplied. And perimeter, the distance around the shape. Just add the sides together and then you'll be great with the area. That's the space inside. For a rectangle, its length and width are multiplied. And perimeter, the distance around the shape. Just add the sides together and then you'll be great. Now I've got my area for my yard on Mars, and there's plenty of room for Marvin to live large. But now I need a fence, cause I heard the animals on Mars could be intense. So I'll need a perimeter, the distance around my whole yard. How do you get it? Yeah, just add up the length of the sides. 9 plus 8 plus 8 plus 9's a perimeter of 34 feet. And oh yeah, that's regular units and not units squared. So let's take a look from another angle. To get the perimeter of a square or rectangle, you add 2 widths plus 2 lengths. Here's a formula, don't forget to say thanks. 2 times length plus 2 times width to get a square or rectangle's perimeter quick. So let's try it with my Martian backyard. Come on, get ready, y'all, it's not that hard. 2 times the length of 9 is 18, and 2 times the width of 8 is 16, and 16 plus 18 is 34. Now if I could stop Marvin from making a dirty floor. Come on, Marvin. Seriously.
All right, so there were those 2 interesting little videos. You can find them yourself if you have, I don't know if you have access to Clever still, Chelsea, but that was on Flocabulary. I found that song just by typing in area and perimeter on Flocabulary. And then on BrainPop, all I did was go to math, geometry, and clicked on quadrilaterals. It wasn't quite as much information, as that Flocabulary song was, but I thought it was 2 really cool ways to look at it, and it definitely was. I really liked that Flocabulary song and the way that they represented it, so I'd watch that video a couple times. Alrighty, so there's those for you.